Whole grains and athletic performance, powering your workout. Whole grains and athletic performance, powering your workout. Introduction. When it comes to maximizing athletic performance, it's essential to fuel your body with the right nutrients. While there are various dietary strategies, one that has gained immense popularity among athletes is incorporating whole grains into their meals. Whole grains provide a range of benefits, from sustained energy release to improved recovery. In this article, we will delve into the relations between whole grains and athletic performance, highlighting their role in powering your workout. What are whole grains? Whole grains are the unrefined version of grains, containing all three essential components: the bran, germ, and endosperm. These components provide a multitude of nutrients, including fiber, protein, and vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some common examples of whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat, oats, and barley. Sustained energy release. Athletes require a constant supply of energy to maintain performance during workouts or competitions. Whole grains are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates, which are broken down slowly by the body, resulting in a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This sustained energy release helps athletes maintain their performance levels for longer durations without experiencing sudden spikes or crashes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, the fiber content in whole grains aids in regulating blood sugar levels and prevents rapid insulin spikes. This is crucial for sustaining energy over extended periods, such as during endurance activities. Improved endurance and recovery. Endurance is a vital aspect of many sports, whether it's long-distance running, cycling, or swimming. Incorporating whole grains into an athlete's diet can significantly enhance endurance levels. The complex carbohydrates in whole grains are stored in the muscles and liver as glycogen, which serves as a readily available source of energy during prolonged exercise. Consuming whole grains before endurance events or intense training sessions helps ensure optimal glycogen stores, delaying the onset of fatigue and improving overall performance. Furthermore, the fiber content in whole grains aids in maintaining gut health, promoting efficient nutrient absorption and minimizing gastrointestinal discomfort that can hinder performance. Post-workout recovery is equally important for athletes, and whole grains play a significant role in this aspect too. Nutrient density. Athletes often face increased nutritional demands due to their higher energy expenditure and training intensity. Whole grains provide a host of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are crucial for optimal athletic performance. These nutrients contribute to various physiological processes, including energy production, muscle function, and immune system support. Whole grains are an excellent source of B vitamins, including thiamine, niacin, and riboflavin, which play a key role in converting food into energy. Additionally, whole grains contain minerals such as iron, magnesium, and zinc, which are essential for muscle function, oxygen transport, and repair. The antioxidant content in whole grains helps combat exercise-induced oxidative stress, which can accelerate muscle fatigue and impair recovery. Inflammation control. Intense workouts and strenuous activities often result in inflammation within the body. While acute inflammation is a natural response to exercise, chronic and excessive inflammation can hinder performance and impede recovery. Whole grains possess anti-inflammatory properties, mainly due to their high fiber and antioxidant content. The fiber in whole grains, particularly soluble fiber, promotes a healthy balance of gut bacteria, reducing systemic inflammation. Furthermore, antioxidants found in whole grains, such as phenolic compounds, help combat inflammation by neutralizing free radicals produced during exercise. By incorporating whole grains into their diet, athletes can effectively manage inflammation, allowing for faster and more efficient recovery. Practical tips for incorporating whole grains. Now that we understand the benefits of whole grains for athletic performance, it's essential to establish practical ways to incorporate them into an athlete's diet. Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Start your day with whole grain cereals or oatmeal topped with fruits and nuts for sustained energy. 2. Use whole grain bread, wraps, or tortillas as the base for sandwiches or wraps, packed with lean protein and vegetables. 3. Include whole grain options such as quinoa or brown rice in your post-workout meals to aid in muscle repair and glycogen replenishment. 4. Experiment with different whole grain recipes, such as whole wheat pasta with grilled chicken and vegetables, or barley salads with a variety of colorful vegetables. 5. Snack on whole grain options such as popcorn, whole grain crackers, or energy bars that contain whole grain ingredients. Whole grains and athletic performance, the key to optimizing your workout. Introduction. In the world of athletics, achieving peak performance requires careful attention to the fueling of the body with the right nutrients. While there are numerous dietary strategies, one approach that has gained widespread popularity among athletes is the incorporation of whole grains into their meals. Whole grains offer a range of benefits, from providing sustained energy release to supporting OVED recovery. In this article, we will explore the connection between whole grains and athletic performance, specifically focusing on their role in maximizing your workout potential. Understanding whole grains. Whole grains are the unprocessed form of grains, containing all three essential components, the bran, germ, and endosperm. These components provide a wealth of nutrients, including fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Some examples of commonly consumed whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat, oats, and barley. Unleashing sustained energy. Athletes require a consistent supply of energy to sustain their performance during rigorous workouts or competitions. Whole grains excel in being excellent sources of complex carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are broken down slowly by the body, resulting in a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This sustained energy release enables athletes to maintain their performance levels for extended periods without experiencing sudden spikes or crashes in blood sugar. Furthermore, the fiber content found in whole grains aids in regulating blood sugar levels. This prevents rapid insulin spikes and is crucial for sustaining energy over prolonged periods, such as during endurance activities. Elevating endurance and recovery. Endurance is a critical element in many sports, whether it involves long-distance running, cycling, or swimming. By incorporating whole grains into their diets, athletes can significantly enhance their endurance levels. The complex carbohydrates found in whole grains are stored in the muscles and liver as glycogen, serving as a readily available energy source during prolonged exercise. Consuming whole grains before endurance events or intense training sessions helps optimize glycogen stores, delaying the onset of fatigue and improving overall performance. Additionally, the fiber content in whole grains promotes gut health, facilitating efficient nutrient absorption while minimizing gastrointestinal discomfort that may hinder performance.